Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a warning letter. What is a warning letter? A warning letter refers to a formal document allocated to an employee by an employer under the human resources or HR processes for misbehavior, misconduct, or poor performance. The letter is helpful in establishing expectations for proper behavior in the future. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a warning letter step by step. Check this out. First thing first, you need to write down the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. After that, write the full name of the recipient. Under it, write the occupation or job position in the company. And write the company name. You need to also write the address of the company. Mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Now, you can open the warning letter with salutation. Write Dear Mr., Ms., or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, mention directly why the recipient gets a warning letter. Here, you can start with some reports about the misbehavior of the recipient at work. In this example, the writer gets several reports that the recipient coming late to office. And the reason why the recipient gets this letter is because he or she keeps this bad behavior even after being warned verbally by the seniors. You can also mention other issues besides the punctuation. For example, the recipient may use to behave rudely. Or maybe the recipient used to be unprofessional in manner. You need to mention them all so every issue is clearly stated here and the recipient needs to understand. And tell the recipient how these kind of behaviors are not acceptable or tolerated in the company. In the second paragraph, mention again the contact, the policy, and other rules in the company that every employee must follow. And mention what kind of consequences if the recipient keeps the bad behaviors at workplace. And you can order the recipient to fix his or her behavior. The next sentence, write if the recipient keeps the bad behavior, the company will terminate him or her. And you can order something else for the sake of fixing the behavior. Such as order the recipient to be mingle and respect other employees and so on. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely or regards. Add your signature. And write your full name complete with your occupation in the company, which is head of HR department. So, that's how you write a warning letter step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.